Last time we drew the trust boundary. Each service trusts its gateway, not the outside world. But that raises a question. What, exactly, does the gateway hand a service? It's tempting to just forward the user's original login token. Don't. The better answer is that the gateway mints a brand new token, one built for the inside of your system. Let's see why and how. Why not just pass the user's token through? 3 reasons. It's overscoped. That token was minted for your public front door, carrying whatever your login provider felt like putting in it, not the tight set of facts one internal service needs. It couples every service to your identity provider and its exact token format. Change providers, and everything downstream has to change with you. And it's often long-lived, measured in hours, so a single stolen token is useful to an attacker for a long time. Inside your system, you want something smaller, purpose-built, and short. So instead, the gateway authenticates the user once, talking to your real identity provider, and then mints a fresh token for the inside. That token carries exactly the identity downstream needs: the actor's ID, their permissions, the permissions they're explicitly denied, and their tenant. It's signed by the gateway, so each service verifies just one signer and discovers its keys automatically. And it's scoped to a single service and expires in minutes, not hours. So even if one leaks, the window is tiny. Small, signed, short-lived. That's the internal token. Here it is in the gateway, condensed from the template. Trellis plugs into YARP, the reverse proxy, and adds actor forwarding. You give it an issuer and signing credentials, a private key the gateway signs with. Then 2 lines that matter. Audience per cluster stamps each token with the name of the service it's headed to. A token for projects is only valid at projects. And lifetime, 5 minutes. The gateway remints on every request, so 5 minutes is plenty, and a leaked token is worthless almost immediately. That's the whole mint. Watch what that audience line buys you. The user's token comes into the gateway. The gateway mints, not one token, but a different one for each destination. The token going to members is stamped audience, members. The one going to projects is stamped audience, projects. Now here's the payoff. If something ever tried to replay the member's token against the project's service, projects checks the audience, sees the wrong name, and rejects it. No code from you required. Cross-service confusion fails closed by construction. One honest note about identity. In development, the template uses a simple test actor. You set a header, and you can curl the entire system as any user. In production, you swap that one line for a real actor provider, claims-based or intra, or whatever your identity provider speaks, and it validates the incoming user properly. But notice, the mint itself doesn't change. The gateway still authenticates the user once and remints a short-lived internal token. All that changes is where it learns who the user is. The boundary and the token stay exactly the same. So the gateway is your trust anchor. It authenticates the user once, then mints a small, signed, short-lived token built for the inside of your system. One per service, each stamped with where it's allowed to go. Services never touch your identity provider. They just verify the gateway signature. But that raises the next question. The gateway signs with a key, and keys have to be rotated. How do you swap the signing key without rejecting every token in flight? That's next time. Subscribe, and I'll see you there.